Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to look at sales tax. The learning goal is I can find sales tax and total cost. What is sales tax? Sales tax is an added tax on goods purchased. What is the state tax in your state? They said city, we're going to go with state. New Jersey, the tax rate is 6.875%. This can also be written as a decimal as 0.06875. Most of us, to figure out tax though in New Jersey, just think of it as 7% or 7 cents on every dollar. But again, when you're calculating it exactly, you have to use 6.875%. Now let's do two examples. The first example. At Sam's Electronics, there is a 50-inch television that costs $450. The sales tax is 8%. How much does sales tax cost? What is the total cost for the television? Since they are asking us to find both the sales tax and the total cost, I'm going to do what's in red. To find the tax, I take 8% and I multiply it by $450. Which is the price of the TV. Notice I turned 8% into a decimal first and then multiplied. To find the total, take the cost of the TV and add the tax that you just found. Or, if they didn't ask you to first find the tax, you could simply find the total cost by doing 108% of 450. Why 108%? Well, because you have to pay 100% of what the TV costs, plus an additional 8%. That's how I got the 108%. Next, you'll notice I turned 108% into a decimal, 1.08, and I multiplied it by 450. This automatically gives us the total cost. Okay, example number 2. You want to buy a table that costs $125. If the sales tax is 6%, how much money do you need to buy the table? I'm noticing you just need to find the total cost, but I'm looking at the side here and it shows that we have to find the sales tax and the total cost. So first I'm going to take the sales tax, which it says 6% in the problem, turn that into a decimal, 0.06, and multiply it by the cost of the TV, $125. And I get $7.50. That's my tax. To find the total, I take the $125 TV and I add the tax, the $7.50, to get $132.50. Or, if they only had a spot here for total cost, I would just do 106% of 125. I turned 106% into a decimal and multiplied to get the answer of $132.50. Now you're going to try the problems on the Your Turn page. There are 3 of those, and then we will go over those in class. Good luck.